असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Yeah, this is BVKR. So after completion of properties of whole numbers like closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property, and let's have a small topic, it is patterns. In this session we will discuss about that the standard 6th chapter 2 whole numbers, the patterns. Okay, what are the patterns? So we shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shapes. So what are the elementary shapes? These shapes only allowed to show the numbers. So for example, let us discuss about the examples. So these are the elementary shapes. What are they? Line, rectangle, square, and triangle. These are the 4 elementary shapes. We shall arrange the numbers by using these four elementary shapes. How to arrange the numbers in line, rectangle, square and triangle? So there is no other shapes are allowed to arrange the numbers. So we shall arrange the numbers by using these 4 elementary shapes. Okay, while numbers can be shown in elementary shapes made up of dots. So when we show that arrange or showing the numbers in elementary shapes, we use dots. Okay, let me show that too, how to represent by using dots. Okay, 2. How to show this 2 in the form of line? Listen to me. So this can be represented by like this, and the number 3 also shown as this. This is the way we are showing the numbers in line form. Then how to show the numbers in rectangle form, rectangle shape? Okay, some numbers can also be shown in rectangle, right? For example, the number 6 can be shown that this is line, then after rectangle. The number 6 can be shown in the rectangle 6. How? Yes, this is the rectangle. Okay, can you show this? Otherwise somewhat breadth have to be reduced. Yes, this is the 6. In the rectangle, observe that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So in a rectangle we can observe that there are 2 rows. These are the 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the rectangle shape, right? There are some numbers to arrange in square, in the square. So there for example, the number 4 can be shown in the square as, you see, this is this and this. Yes, there are square, it is in the form of square. What is the next square? What is the possible number of next square? Right, 9. So same columns and same rows we have to maintain, that is the square. Yes, same columns and same rows. So by using these elementary shapes we are showing numbers 2, 3, and all numbers can be shown in the line. Every number can be shown in the line, and there are particular numbers like 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, these are the numbers are going to be shown in the rectangle shape, like numbers 4, 9. What is the next square? That is 16. 16 also can be shown in the square. Why? The rows and the columns are equal in the square. In a rectangle, rows and columns are not equal. So we just a little bit, if you know the difference between the rectangle and square, you can show that in the square. A last final one, that is triangle. Okay, how to show the triangle? Some numbers can also be arranged in triangle, right? Okay, triangle lo మనం ఫస్ట్ గా చూపించేసేది, this is the triangle. What is the number we are shown in the triangle is 3. Next, I just increase one more dot. Right. What is the next number? Can I show that in the triangle? That is 6th. What is the next number? Here 4, it is 3, it is 2, and it is 1. Right. So next number, what is the next number shown in the triangle? 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 plus 3, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10. So this is the way of showing the numbers by using elementary shapes.